Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, we gonna talk about Jungle Paradise and whether or not this company is legit, right? Especially when it comes to making money online. Now, if you follow my channel at all, you would probably realize I'm a little what's the word? Favorable to this company because I have made money with Jungle Paradise. So, but just in case you still might be wondering, Jungle Paradise is one of those companies that's kind of labeled as one of them get paid to sites. And normally, I really don't like get paid to sites, but somebody who usually recommends decent programs, they recommended this to me, so I decided to give it a shot, look at it, and see could you make money with this, right? So Jungle Paradise is one of those sites, little bit different from you sign up and then you just start trying different offers and you get paid to do so. This is a little different. Basically, once you join Jungle Paradise, all right, you got your free account, you have to earn at least 1 credit, right? Once you earn that credit, you'll be able to earn commissions for everybody you get to join Jungle Paradise, and basically they complete an offer or enough offers to equal 1 credit. And equal 1 credit is very easy. I mean, it's super easy to get 1 credit because most people, well, I won't say most, a lot of people, what they do is they join the Aspiration Bank. All you do is just sign up for Aspiration Bank. Once you're a member, you sign up for it, you open up an account, it's free to do it, takes you about 5 minutes to do it, and you earn your credit. Once you get that credit, you can start promoting Jungle Paradise and start earning instant commissions. Well, they're pretty instant, it takes a couple hours to to hit your PayPal, but very easy process. And you don't, like I said in previous videos, you don't have to do the Aspiration Bank offer. You could do a couple other offers, as long as you equal 1 credit. That's all you have to worry about, equal 1 credit. Because you might not want to do the bank account thing. You might not want to. So what you want to do is just look on the Jungle Paradise site and just look at offers. And the key is choose some offers that you halfway interested in. That way, it's kind of like you're getting an extra bonus. You got the chance to make money, passive income, right? And you can actually enjoy the service or company that you're trying out, right? It's very easy, guys. Very simple. And yes, it is legit. Why is it legit? Because I actually do now have an Aspirations checking account, right? And I have been paid from Jungle Paradise, right? I'll put, if I remember, I'll put like a little screen thing showing like I got paid through PayPal. So, and the cool thing is, it's just easy to do, guys. All you got to do, like I said before, once you get your credit, right? You earn your credit. You'll get a referral link when you log into your Jungle Paradise account. All you need to do is share your link, promote that link, because you're getting anywhere between $40 to $50 commissions, right? For basically nothing. You just sharing it to people. If you're one of those people, listen up, and you're always looking for like a side hustle or easy money, right? And you are a go-getter, even a halfway go-getter, there's no reason why you can't start making money today or tomorrow. Once you complete your offer and you get out there, get on Facebook, ask people who wants to make easy money, right? That's what you got to do. You got to do that. Get on your Twitter, your Instagram, put your referral link in your bios to all your social media. Don't be afraid to private message people people you cool with and wouldn't mind getting a message from you. Hey man, I got this cool program, man. You can make $40, $50 instant commissions. This is easy work. If you're looking for a side hustle, boom, check this out. Because everybody right now, especially right now because of the pandemic and blah blah, right? Everybody looking for that way to earn that extra money. Everybody. You know what I mean? So even if you're in the process of looking for a work from home job, you still could do this because it's free to open up the Aspirations account or complete these offers, and it's free to promote your referral link. You know what I mean? So it ain't no excuse, right? But yeah, guys, that's it. Jungle Paradise is legit. I have made money with it, and it's super easy to start generating some extra money to your PayPal account. All right, so if you want to get started, all you need to do, click the link in the description. You know how this works. Sign up, watch the little video they give you. It's very easy, I mean, but sign up, get your credit, and start promoting your link. It's that simple, guys. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. If you like this video, you already know, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.